Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Smith Corona standard. This is also the same as a clipper and silent and other models of this era, including the flat top too. So what we're going to look at today is this indexing arm right here, and this piece here, and the fact that it won't let this sometimes, let's put the variable in, won't back up. The Platen is jammed, but there's a reason for that. And about a month ago I saw the same thing happen, and I fixed it and didn't put it on camera, but this one I'm going to show how to fix this. So let's see if we can figure this out together. Well, first thing is this little screw right here. This is the lever for indexing 1 or 2. It should look like that, little knobby, but it's broken off. And the second thing I'm going to do to this is actually replace this piece that I salvaged from another typewriter, because I can't seem to modify anything on this to make it work that I'm satisfied with. So, but here's the problem with this, and it's I guess I haven't seen it happen too often, but it's going to be hard to see exactly. But so this lever is in position 1 for 1 line space up, just like that. If you put it in position 2, it actually jams up right there and does not much, maybe 1 line space, maybe, acting kind of weird, and it won't let the roller roll back. So the problem is this arm up in here where this lever attaches at that screw, that's bent, and it's bent away from this. So when I put this back on 1 line space, that little paw right there is actually jammed up on the wrong side of the adjustment plate. So this little paw right here, where that spring's at right there, that should be up on top of this piece right here. But it's not, because this arm is coming back too far, and it's dropping off the front of this ledge there, like that right there. This whole arm was positioned back right there, it would work fine. But there is no way to adjust this arm to stop over here where it stops. There is no adjustment for that. It just butts up, and I guess it could be modified back down in here. That is an option. If you were to modify something right there, it would keep that arm from coming back, and it would probably work. But we're going to fix it, I guess, the right way. And so I need this piece to come back. So that's this black piece right here, but it's also connected to this piece right there, coming off the return arm, that piece on the bottom there. So what needs to be done is this arm here needs to be formed that direction. So it needs to go that way. It must have got bent this way somehow. So I've got 2 choices, a couple choices here. Got a couple of these benders here that fit on the slots, on this thickness of the metal, and then you can bend it. And I've got another one here that's got a perfect fit right there. So it fits that piece perfect. And of course, if I flex it that way, it should bend that part, but it's a pretty thick piece there, so it might not be able to do it. Let's try it though and see if that process works. So make sure I can. Okay, so I'm just going to hold this arm, and I'll take this tool and I'm going to try to form this that direction, and it is definitely moving. I got a lot of movement out of that. actually bent rather easily. So let's see if that is going to solve the problem here. Okay, so now it's in line position 1. And that's position 1. Perfect, actually, because you can see the piece now, this lever, this little piece right here in the spring is coming right to the edge of that piece right there. See that edge right there? I move this lever that way. It goes right to the edge, but it doesn't fall off. And before, when I was moving this hammer or this arm, this would not come and touch this. This is an adjustment stud here. It would not make it to that point. It would stop shy. So now it's making it one full motion, and in position 2, get 2 ratchets, 1, 2, perfect. So that was it. I had to form that arm. It got bent somehow, and that's working better. So my second video, I'm going to disassemble the whole thing and replace this piece here, but that is going to be a different video because I've got this fixed rather easily. Probably took longer to explain it than to fix it, but perfect. Okay, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.